Hi, this is Matt from EliteSRSFitness.com and BuyJumpRopes.net, and today I'm going to introduce to you a new rope in our Bullet series. It's called the Bullet Comp, as in competition. This rope is very unique in many ways. It has patented technology to tighten up without a tool, without the Phillips screwdriver, or without an adjustable nut at the end. It comes with neural grip, so you have a great grip on it, a super high level ball bearing, so if you give it a spin, it'll spin up to 3 minutes. It's got to be the longest spinning rope on the market. It has a unique design system. You can see but there's a hole on the side, and as we turn, that hole gets bigger. We then thread the cable through, retighten it, and it'll be on there real tight and strong. Let me show you how it works actually with the cable. I'm going to go ahead and open it again. I'm going to slip through a cable. Take your hands, hand tighten it, and it's on secure. Again, no need for any tools or any crimps or adjustable screws on it. It'll hold cables anywhere from 1.1 millimeters. This is called our ultra thin rope. And then we have the bare cable rope, which is a 1/16 inch stainless steel rope. And then we have our 3/32 inch nylon coated cable. And these are the most common type of cables that are used in double unders and speed jumping. And that's what this rope is designed for. It's for those who want to go to the next level in their speed jumping, those who want to beat their double under records. It'll help immensely because of the fantastic spin on these ropes. Let me show you. We have 4 different styles of the Bullet Comp. We have the gunmetal color. We have this style here, it's called the Galaxy. And then we have the Patriotic. And then we have Blue Flame. Thanks for taking a look at this new design. We're very proud of it. We think it's going to be a big hit, and we've taken it to different competitions and such, and we've sold out each time. It's been super popular. We think you'll like it too. Thanks.